friends, on this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove Google account verification on your Nokia 2, 3 and the rest. So follow my lead. First of all, you need to connect to a Wi-Fi to establish internet connection. So here I have already connected to my Wi-Fi network. So after you've connected to your Wi-Fi network, go back to the startup menu and click on Vision Settings. And click on Vision Settings, click on Talkback, enable Talkback, click OK. After enabling Talkback, after enabling Talkback, draw L on the screen. Then Talkback Settings, click on Talkback Settings, double tap. Then press the volume up and volume down at the same time to suspend Talkback. After you have suspend Talkback, then click on Help and Feedback. Then click on About Switch Access for Android. Then click on the video. Then click on the three dot over there. Then click Watch Later. Disable it. Then accept. Click Next. No thanks. Then click here, add a new tab. Then you type in FRP.Without 2018 FRP.Bypass 2018. Click on it. Then sorry guys, this I should verify myself. Let me verify. After searching for it, click on the second link where you see the share logo on it with the insight. Then first we click on Quick Shortcut Maker. Continue. Click Cancel. We want to download Quick Shortcut Maker, so let's click on that one. Click OK to download it. After downloading, do not open it. Go to Google Settings, then click on Download to download Google Settings as well as Quick Shortcut Maker. Click on Download. Click on the Quick Shortcut we just downloaded. Here we will enable two things. First, we enable unknown source. Then we disable device administrator, find my device, then deactivate it. Like deactivating it, we move back to Play Store to it. Then we install our app. Click on Install. After the app has finished installing, open it. Then search for launcher. Here it is, launcher. Click on the first one, hit try. Then here click on Google Chrome. Then go to download. Then click Google Settings to install Google Settings. Click Next. Install it. And let's move back. And let's do something. Settings, disable Google Play service. So we move to settings, then settings. Then we move to apps. Then we scroll through. Google Play Service. Click on Google Play Service. Click for stop. Click OK. Click storage. Then go to manage space. Then clear all data. Click OK. then move back, disable the app. Make sure Play Store is not disabled. As you can see, Play Store is not disabled, so let's go back. So here we have our Google Play settings installed. So click here, click yes, move back, then go to Play Store, click on Play Store. Then here we will sign in with a new account. So if you have forgotten the previous password for our Google account, so here we log in with a new ID. So here I'm typing my Gmail account. After typing in your Gmail account, click next. Then type your password, then click next, then agree. Play Store will force stop. That's not a problem. Yeah, it says Google settings has stopped. Open again, and you see it said authentication is required. You need to sign into your Google account. So let's move back. Go to settings again, then enable, move to apps, then go to click all apps, click disable, then enable Google Play service again, enable it, move back, then hit on Play Store, and let's see if the account is working. So now you will see we have signed in to our phone. So what we will do is to let's reboot the phone. Accept. Then here is it. You can see our Play Store is working, and you have my name in there, Kujima15. Yeah. So go back. Then we need to power off the phone. We have to restart the phone. Then we wait for the phone to restart. Be patient. Wait for the phone to boot up. And the phone has finished booting up. You still need to connect to the Wi-Fi network for the phone to verify our Google account. So here we have stop back again, enable. We have stop back, enable again. All you have to do is to press the volume up and the volume down key, up and down key. We disable it. After disabling it, click let's disable it. So click let's go. Click skip. Click set up and new. Still checking for update, to be patient. And you can see it said account added. Kujima151.com is already. So we click next. Getting account info. We wait a little while, at least for about 1 minute or so. And please remember to subscribe to my channel, Bwoy. And also you can like my page on Facebook, Tech Guru. And if you find any procedure difficult and you want to ask any question, you can ask me. So here he said we should set up pin. We choose not now. So skip, more, agree. Guys, remember to subscribe to my channel for more updates, and you can watch my previous video on how I did it on Nokia 2 and 3. there's another procedure I use it. That take almost 17 minutes or so. And then finishing touches, patient. So click let go. So we are done. Everything is working, as you can see. Everything is working perfectly. So what we need to do is, you see this thing crashing over there. All you have to do is go back and uninstall this app. Uninstall it. Click OK. Then you see there's no crashing issue, as you can see. Then you need to turn off talk back. Go to settings. You need to disable talk back. Go to accessibility. Click OK. Click on talk back. Then disable it. Click OK. That's it. Then that's it for it. So please friends, remember to subscribe to my channel. The name is Bwoy, and please like the video if it helped you out. Thank you for watching my video.